Hi guys, in today's video, I will tell you 5 AI tools that every student must use in 2025. I'm not talking about basic ChatGPT prompts that everyone knows about, but rather I'm going to talk about 5 game-changing AI tools that 99% of the students don't know yet. And trust me, they are gonna give you unfair advantage in 2025. Hi guys, I'm Amrit Raj and these tools are going to transform how you study, research or learn as a student. These aren't just random chatbots as I already told you, but these are powerful AI assistants that can see, hear and create alongside you. And guys, do watch the video till the end because I will reveal a powerful strategy that will help you to combine all these tools and use it like an AI expert. Let's dive into the video guys. Have you ever wished your AI assistant could actually see what you are doing? Or basically literally look at your screen or go through your phone camera and help you in real time. So guys, meet Google AI Studio. And today I'm going to walk you through what it does, how it works, and why it might change how you work forever. So basically Google AI Studio is just like a supercharged version of Google Gemini. Yes, you can still use it as a chatbot, ask questions, upload documents, and summarize stuff, but it goes way beyond that. Now you might ask how. So basically, it can see your screen in real time and help you with a problem, whatever you are facing. Or it can work with your camera even on mobile, means you can show it and ask questions to it in real time. And it also gives you a more control over how it thinks and responds. Let me show you how. Now first you have to do is go to aistudio.google.com and log in with your Google account. Now in the center, you have got your prompt like ChatGPT or Gemini. Okay, but on the right side, you will see options to upload YouTube videos, PDFs, images, and many more. Yes, even videos. You can upload your videos and get a real-time feedback. And it is connected to your Google Drive also, which makes saving and accessing files super easy. Now here is where things get really wild, guys. Screen sharing. This means you can share your screen with a Gemini and it will help you in real time. For example, let us say you are building Google Slides, okay, and you want to animate a title. You can just ask Gemini, it watches what's on your screen and it will give you a step-by-step guidance to add animation.
To animate the title in your presentation, you can click the Animate button in the toolbar. After this, you'll be able to select different animations for the title. Would you like me to help you choose an animation?
Crazy, right? And let's say you are a video editor and you face a problem in Adobe Premiere Pro and you can ask it in real time. For example, you can ask it how to reset the layout.
To reset the layout, you can go to Window, then Workspaces, and then choose Reset to Saved Layout.
Or how to import media.
To import media, you can go to File, then Import, and select the media you want to import. Alternatively, you can drag and drop media files directly into the project panel.
And even ask if your mouse was hovering over the right panel or not.
Okay, I see your mouse hovering over the project panel on the left side of the screen, where you can import media. Are you having trouble importing your media into that panel?
It will respond to you in real time based on what it can see on your screen. If you are learning some new complex software or new complex tool, this can be a total game changer because there will be an assistant who will be helping you in a step-by-step manner. Guys, screen sharing is just one part. Actually, you can show the AI what you are seeing and get a real-time feedback or input from it. Basically, you can give eyes to your AI. With the webcam feature, you can show it things. Basically, in Google AI Studio, you can show things to Gemini and it will respond to you in real time. Let's say you are traveling and you are looking at a menu in another language. What you can do is open Google AI Studio and show the menu through the camera and Gemini will translate it for you on the spot. In another example, let us say you have a particular grocery. Okay, you can show that to your Gemini and it will tell you what you can make out of it. And even more, it will give you step by step to make the dish for you. Or let's say you are in a museum and curious about a painting, you can show it to your Gemini and it can tell you the artist's name, name of the piece and even some background on it. That's like having an AI assistant with you 24/7 who's expert in everything. Guys, you can use this AI for learning any complex software like Excel, Photoshop or coding. Okay, or you can get a help with a complex maths problem or a science problem. Okay, you can just show AI the problem and it will give you a solution, or you can just share the screen with the AI with the maths or physics problem on it and it will solve it for you. Or you can use it for translating languages, as I told you, and also you can use it for analyzing graphs or data visualization. So guys, just head to aistudio.google.com, log in with your Google account and you are good to go. Guys, AI Studio works on your phone as well. You just need to open AI Studio on your phone, go to stream, then tap the webcam, and now your phone camera becomes your personal AI assistant. Do check this out and let me know in comments. Now let us move on to the second AI tool. What if I told you there is a free AI tool that can find the best content for you, organize it into a mind map, and even turn it into a podcast that you can listen to at your gym? Meet Notebook LM, guys, Google's insanely powerful AI that acts like your personal research assistant. If you're not using Notebook yet, you're seriously missing out on a lot. You can learn anything 10 times faster using this AI tool. Okay, let me show you how. You just have to open Notebook LM and create a notebook. Tell it what you want to learn. Let us say basics of AI or how to start investing, and boom. It will pull out blogs, videos, guides, and even turn it into a visual mind map so you can see how everything is connected. And as I told you, one of the coolest features is you can convert all this information into a podcast. And the best part is, guys, you can even talk to the podcast and ask follow-up questions in real time if you have any doubts. You can also save notes, generate FAQs, create timelines, and even use it to create shared team notebooks for onboarding, project planning, or content creation. And guys, with the latest update, Notebook LM supports over 50 languages, including Indian languages like Hindi, Tamil, Bengali, Marathi, and all the other South Indian languages. It even generates audio overviews in those languages. It is powerful, it is free, and it can completely change how you learn, research, and collaborate. Okay, so definitely go and check this out, guys. Make notebooks for your studies. I have also made a detailed video about Notebook LM. If you have any doubt, you can watch it using the link in the description. Now let us move to tool number 3. It is one of the most exciting AI tools out there right now. Meet Lovable, guys. If you ever wanted to build your own website, web app, or even full stack tool, but didn't know how to code, Lovable is your shortcut. You just tell it what you want using prompts like build me a portfolio website with blog and contact form, and it does the heavy lifting for you. It will write the code, build the UI, and even connect the backend. And also recently, Lovable released their 2.0 version, which has some cool features. Let me explain it to you. My favorite feature is, guys, visual editing platform. With Lovable 2.0, you can now click any element on your website and customize it directly. For example, text, font size, padding, margins, or layouts. Everything is adjustable in a super intuitive GUI. Actually, before Lovable 2.0, if you wanted to make a small visual tweaks, you either had to write the code or spend extra credits prompting it again and again. Now just click and edit, no credits wasted, and way more control to you. Next, guys, in Lovable 2.0, dev mode is now fully integrated. If you are a coder and want more control, you can jump into the code view at any time. The best part is now you can save directly to the GitHub. Actually, before, syncing to GitHub required jumping through hoops. Now it's seamless. You can make changes, save, and it is synced. It is perfect for teams or anyone who wants to blend no code with pro code. Third feature which I want to talk about is, guys, chat mode agent. It's like a beast. If you need to debug any issue, you can just ask the agent. If you want to plan out a new feature, walk through it with the agent step by step. Then once you are aligned, click implement changes and it handles everything for you. It's like having your own AI product manager and developer in one. Next feature is, guys, multiplayer mode. You can now invite your friends, teammates, or collaborators into your project. Everyone can build, edit, and tweak in the same workspace. Before, Lovable was strictly single player, guys. If you wanted someone else to help you, you had to send the code to GitHub and have them work over there. Now everyone can build together and you can also share billing credits. And guys, in Lovable, now you can buy and connect custom domains directly. You don't have to bounce over to GoDaddy or Namecheap. Just search your domain, buy it, and instantly you can connect it to your website. All from Lovable dashboard. So guys, Lovable is a game-changing tool for all the budding entrepreneurs in the college. Now let us move on to AI tool number 4 and 5. These are guys ChatGPT and Claude. Now think of it like having two brilliant research AI assistant instead of one. Okay, each have different strengths and different way of thinking, and together they are unstoppable. So whenever you are asking a question to ChatGPT, what I want you to do is paste the same question into Claude also. Then you can cherry pick the strongest points from each of them. Okay, most students make this critical mistake. Okay, they either use ChatGPT or Claude. 90% of you are using ChatGPT only, but from next time try to use them both. Okay, and don't accept the first AI response you get. One more way you can use this combination is, let us say you have asked one AI and the response is not satisfactory. Then you can copy paste the same thing into the another AI, the response from one AI into another AI. And trust me, you will be amazed how often one AI solves what the other AI couldn't. This approach works for everything, guys. Okay, it works for writing scripts and research paper, creating project reports with comprehensive analysis, developing PowerPoint presentation, or validating a business proposal with multiple perspectives, or even conducting deep research on any topic. You just need to copy paste or answer from one AI into the other, and the answer will be this, the response will be more enhanced, guys. The secret is simple, guys. Don't use these tools in isolation. Use them in parallel, compare their responses, and build something better. And always remember, guys, two AI brains are better than one. So guys, these are the 5 AI tools that you must use as a student and make most use of it. Okay, and always remember to use these tools in combination and not isolation. Always try multiple shot prompting and spend more and more time with these tools to learn them better. So I would like to end the video with this statement from Sam Altman that says, older people use ChatGPT as Google replacement. People in 20s to 30s are using it as life advisor, and people in college use it as an operating system. What is your opinion on this? Let me know in comments. And if this video was helpful, subscribe to my channel for more AI videos.